Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're celebrating the gentle arrival of early spring with farmhouse design that truly speaks to the soul. If you love the warmth of rustic charm combined with fresh seasonal touches, you're in the right place. We'll walk through every corner of your farmhouse home, from that charming exterior to your cozy reading nook, sharing practical tips that make decorating feel effortless and fun. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite spring color palette. I absolutely love hearing from you. Let's create spaces that welcome spring with open arms. There's something extraordinary about early spring in farmhouse design. It's that perfect moment when winter's coziness meets spring's promise of renewal. The key is embracing what designers call transitional decor, essentially bridging seasons without going overboard. Think soft pastels meeting warm neutrals, fresh greenery alongside vintage finds, and natural textures that ground your space. This approach creates interiors that feel both timeless and seasonally fresh. The farmhouse aesthetic naturally lends itself to this balance, celebrating simple beauty and functional elegance. Today's journey through each room will show you exactly how to capture this magic, creating a home that feels genuinely welcoming and effortlessly styled for the season ahead. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. Start by refreshing your front porch with a new doormat in soft greens or muted florals. This small change makes a surprising impact. Consider a weathered wooden bench flanked by galvanized metal planters filled with early spring bulbs like daffodils or hyacinths. A fresh wreath made from eucalyptus branches or pussy willow adds organic texture, without feeling overly decorated. If your facade features classic board and batten siding, celebrate it by keeping decorations minimal and letting architectural details shine. Simple black or oil-rubbed bronze hardware on your front door provides that sought-after contrast. The goal is approachable elegance that says "Welcome home" before guests even knock. The entryway is your home's handshake, and spring offers the perfect opportunity to make it memorable. Begin with a beautiful runner rug in natural fibers like jute or sisal. These provide durability while maintaining that organic farmhouse feel. Position a console table with clean lines against your main wall. Reclaimed wood or distressed finishes work beautifully here. Above it, hang an oversized vintage-inspired mirror with a weathered frame to reflect natural light and create the illusion of more space. This is what designers call layering with purpose. Each element serves both function and aesthetics. Add a ceramic vessel filled with fresh or faux branches for height, and you've established a foundation that feels collected rather than contrived. Spring's unpredictable weather means your coat storage needs to work overtime while looking effortless. Install a row of vintage-style hooks at varying heights. Black cast iron or antique brass finishes complement farmhouse style perfectly. This creates what's known as a drop zone, where family members can quickly hang jackets, scarves, and bags. Below the hooks, position wooden crates or woven baskets for shoes, keeping floors clear and organized. Consider a narrow bench with slatted design for both seating and additional storage underneath. The beauty of farmhouse design is celebrating pieces that show honest wear and utility. Don't hide the function. Make it part of the charm by choosing hardware and materials with character and patina. Now let's talk about those finishing touches that transform your entryway from functional to fabulous. A galvanized metal tray on your console table corrals keys, sunglasses, and mail while adding industrial farmhouse flair. Incorporate subtle spring elements like a small pitcher filled with fresh tulips or a wooden dough bowl displaying decorative eggs in soft blues and creams. This technique, called vignette styling, creates intentional focal points that draw the eye. A vintage-style lantern with a pillar candle adds warmth for evening arrivals. Keep your color palette cohesive. Whites, creams, soft greens, and weathered woods create harmony. Remember, less is genuinely more in farmhouse design. Each piece should feel purposeful and never overcrowded. Your living room deserves a gentle refresh that honors spring without abandoning farmhouse roots. Start by swapping heavy winter throws for lighter linen or cotton options in pale blue, sage green, or cream. Layer these over your existing neutral sofa. This creates textural interest while maintaining comfort. Incorporate what's called organic modernism by adding a galvanized metal bucket filled with blooming branches or cherry blossoms. Your coffee table should display carefully curated items: a vintage book stack, a wooden tray with candles, and perhaps a small potted herb like rosemary. Consider rotating out darker accent pillows for ones featuring subtle ticking stripes or grain sack patterns. These small adjustments create significant impact without requiring major investment or effort. The beauty of farmhouse living rooms lies in their comfortable, lived-in quality. Your furniture should include a mix of upholstered pieces in durable neutral fabrics and wooden elements with visible grain and character. A chunky coffee table in reclaimed wood anchors the space, while a vintage trunk serves as both storage and side table. Above your sofa, consider a large-scale piece of art featuring botanical prints or a beautiful landscape in muted tones. Shiplap or board and batten walls painted in warm white create architectural interest without overwhelming. Add a tall floor plant like a fiddle leaf fig in a simple ceramic pot for height and life. The key is creating what designers call balanced asymmetry, arranged thoughtfully yet never feeling too precious or staged. Your dining table becomes the heart of spring gathering, and setting it beautifully doesn't require elaborate effort. Start with a table runner in natural linen, allowing the beautiful wood grain of your farmhouse table to show. Down the center, create a simple centerpiece using a wooden dough bowl filled with moss, white candles in varying heights, and scattered faux bird eggs. This is nature-inspired styling at its finest, bringing the outdoors in with organic elements. Use simple white ironstone dishes or vintage-inspired stoneware for place settings. Their imperfect finishes add authentic farmhouse character. Fold linen napkins casually and tuck in a sprig of fresh or faux lavender. Add vintage mason jars as drinking glasses for charming continuity throughout your design. The dining room furniture should celebrate craftsmanship and communal gathering. A solid wood farmhouse table with visible grain and substantial legs creates the foundation. Distressed finishes add character rather than appearing worn. Surround it with a mix of seating, ladder-back wooden chairs, a weathered bench on one side, or even upholstered end chairs in linen for comfort. This mixing technique, called eclectic cohesion, prevents the space from feeling too matchy-matchy. Overhead, install a statement light fixture. Think wrought iron chandelier, wagon wheel design, or even clustered pendant lights in metal cage styles. Add a farmhouse hutch or sideboard displaying white dishes, vintage pitchers, and seasonal greenery. This creates functional display where beauty and utility coexist seamlessly. The farmhouse kitchen embraces honest beauty and efficient organization. Start by clearing countertops, leaving only your most used items and beautiful displays visible. This is strategic minimalism. Your cabinets, ideally in soft white or sage green, should feature simple hardware in black or aged bronze. Open shelving on one wall displays everyday white dishes, vintage cutting boards, and small potted herbs like basil or mint, connecting you to spring's growing season. The farmhouse sink, whether classic white porcelain or deep soapstone, becomes a focal point when kept clean and accessorized with a simple vase of fresh flowers. Above the sink, a window dressed with simple linen curtains allows natural light to flood in, essential for that fresh spring feeling. Integrate modern appliances thoughtfully within your farmhouse aesthetic. Choose a refrigerator in classic white, stainless steel, or even retro-inspired models in soft mint green. These blend seamlessly while providing modern function. Your range should be the workhorse it is, perhaps adorned with a simple enamel tea kettle in cream or pale blue. On the counter, display your small coffee machine. Opt for models in matte black or brushed metal that don't scream modern technology. Nearby, style a small wooden tray with your favorite mugs, a canister of coffee beans, and a vintage-style grinder. This creates what's known as a coffee station, both practical and visually pleasing. Add a wooden cutting board propped against the backsplash, a ceramic crock holding wooden spoons, and fresh lemons in a wire basket. The family room balances farmhouse warmth with contemporary family life, including entertainment technology. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console or vintage dresser, allowing the rustic furniture to soften the modern element. Surround the TV with simple decor, a pair of lanterns, a small wreath, or floating shelves displaying family photos in simple frames. This technique, tech camouflage, helps technology blend rather than dominate. Choose oversized, comfortable seating in durable fabrics like canvas or performance linen in neutral tones. Layer with textured throws and pillows in spring-appropriate colors. Add a large woven basket beside the sofa for blanket storage, both practical and attractive. A jute or natural fiber rug grounds the space and adds warmth underfoot. Creating a farmhouse-inspired workspace within your home requires intentional choices that blend productivity with style. Select a writing desk with clean lines in natural wood. Whether vintage, reclaimed, or reproduction doesn't matter as long as it feels authentic. Position it near a window for natural light, essential for both mood and productivity. On the desk, display a small vintage radio for music and a unique compact desk clock in brass or wood. These functional items double as decor. Use a wire basket for papers, a ceramic cup for pens, and limit technology cords with simple organizational solutions. This is curated functionality. Every item serves purpose while contributing to overall aesthetic. Add a comfortable chair, perhaps a vintage wooden desk chair or an upholstered option in neutral linen. Every farmhouse home deserves a dedicated reading nook, that personal sanctuary for quiet spring afternoons. Identify an underutilized corner, window alcove, or unused space that receives good natural light. Position a comfortable upholstered chair in durable linen or cotton. Choose soft colors like cream, pale gray, or muted blue. Add a small side table in wood or metal for your tea and current book stack. This creates what designers call a microenvironment, a small purpose-specific zone within a larger room. Overhead or beside the chair, add appropriate task lighting with a simple floor lamp or adjustable wall sconce. Layer with a cozy throw and textured pillow. Include a small basket for magazines or current reads, and perhaps a potted plant for life and freshness. Your bedroom should embrace spring's freshness while maintaining farmhouse tranquility. Begin with bedding in breathable natural fibers. White or cream linen duvet covers create that coveted hotel-like simplicity. Layer with a vintage-inspired quilt in soft blues, greens, or florals at the foot of the bed. This layered bedding approach adds visual interest and practical warmth options. Your bed frame should be substantial. Think wrought iron, weathered wood, or upholstered headboards in neutral linen. Nightstands in mismatched styles add character. Top them with simple ceramic lamps, small plants, and perhaps vintage books. Above the bed, hang a large piece of botanical art, a vintage window frame, or keep the wall intentionally bare for calming simplicity. Choose window treatments in light-filtering linen to welcome soft morning light. Complete your bedroom with thoughtful furniture choices and seasonal details. A vintage dresser with original hardware provides storage while adding character. Distressed paint finishes in white, gray, or soft blue work beautifully. Top it with a wooden tray holding perfumes, a small vase of fresh flowers, and perhaps a vintage hand mirror. Add a bench or trunk at the foot of the bed for additional seating and storage. Cover it with a sheepskin or chunky knit throw. This creates purposeful layers throughout the space. Incorporate spring through subtle touches. Swap darker accent pillows for ones in pale yellow or lavender. Add a picture of flowering branches on the dresser, or display a nest with decorative eggs. Keep surfaces relatively clear to maintain the peaceful, uncluttered feeling essential to restful spaces. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with farmhouse sensibility. If you're blessed with a walk-in shower, choose simple subway tile in white or soft gray with dark grout lines for definition. This timeless choice never dates. Install a rainfall showerhead for luxury, and add floating wooden shelves for toiletries and rolled towels. Your vanity should feature a vessel sink or undermount style in white porcelain, paired with a vintage-inspired faucet in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. These heritage finishes add warmth against neutral backgrounds. Above the sink, hang a vintage framed mirror or simple round mirror without frame for modern contrast. Display white towels rolled in wire baskets, add a small vase of eucalyptus for fragrance, and keep a wooden tray with essential products accessible yet organized. Even your garage deserves farmhouse treatment, creating organized utility with aesthetic appeal. Install open shelving using reclaimed wood planks and black metal brackets for storage that's both functional and attractive. Use galvanized metal bins, vintage wooden crates, and labeled baskets to organize tools, sports equipment, and seasonal items. This is visible organization at its best. Paint walls in the same warm white used throughout your home for cohesion. Add pegboard sections for hanging tools, keeping them accessible and visible. If space allows, include a workbench made from reclaimed wood with industrial metal legs. Overhead, install simple black metal light fixtures providing ample illumination. The key is treating your garage as an extension of your home rather than neglected storage, applying the same organizational principles and design consideration you've used everywhere else. Your farmhouse patio becomes prime real estate in early spring, offering the first opportunity for outdoor living. Create a comfortable seating area with weathered wooden Adirondack chairs or a simple porch swing with neutral cushions. Add a coffee table fashioned from a repurposed wooden crate or vintage metal cart for casual dining and drinks. This indoor-outdoor connection extends your living space seamlessly. String simple Edison bulb lights overhead or hang a vintage-style lantern for evening ambience. Incorporate potted plants in galvanized buckets, ceramic containers, or wooden boxes. Choose early spring bloomers like pansies, primrose, or herbs. A jute outdoor rug defines the space and adds warmth underfoot. Keep the color palette neutral with pops of green from living plants, allowing the natural surroundings to provide color and interest. We've journeyed through every corner of your farmhouse home, discovering how early spring decor creates freshness without sacrificing that warmth we love. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its flexibility. It welcomes seasonal changes while maintaining timeless appeal. Remember, you don't need to implement everything at once. Start with one room or even one vignette and build from there. The key is choosing pieces that speak to you, mixing vintage finds with new purchases, and never being afraid to let your personality shine through. I hope you found inspiration and practical tips you can actually use. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that makes beautiful living accessible. Comment below with which room you're tackling first. I can't wait to hear about your spring farmhouse transformation. Until next time, happy decorating!